Hello, this is Matt from Ace Appliance in Toledo, Ohio. Welcome back to another in-home diagnostic video brought to you by ApplianceVideo.com. Alright, what we have is a Maytag. This is a gas dryer. The customer's complaint is that there's some noise when the unit starts up. It's kind of like a rumbling noise, more or less. We'll go ahead and start it so you can hear the noise. And what it sounds like is the blower wheel is spinning freely on the motor shaft. What we're going to do is just open it up and take a look. Okay, tools that are required for this repair: needle nose pliers, an extension like a flexible bit extension, snap ring pliers, and a 1/4 inch and a 5/16 drill or drill bits, or you could just use hand tools. Alright, what we're going to do is we've got the unit unplugged. I'm going to go ahead and remove the 2 Phillips screws here. And the panel's just going to swing forward. You got your wiring on the left here. Pull that out of the way. We're just going to remove the 4 5/16 screws on the front housing here. And just sort of lift up, pull it off here. And these are our front glides. The front glides look fine here. Okay, basically what we've got, the blower wheel is spinning freely on the motor shaft. This should be connected to the motor, so typically when you would turn this blower wheel, your drum would actually, it would be spinning the belt and you'd be rotating the drum. This is just free floating. It's kind of keyed in like a D shape, and what happens is the plastic just wears down to where it's just all rounded out and it's not catching on the motor, so the blower wheel will need to be replaced. Alright, just got a 5/16 screw down there at the bottom. Sometimes it's hard to get a good angle on it with the drum in place, so I just put a flexible bit on here. And everything else is going to be 1/4 inch all around the outside edge here. Still kind of hard to get the right angle on those. So now I'm switching to a little ratchet. Okay, and the front cover just pulls right off here. Got one more. Gives you access to the wheel. You've got a little snap ring, and you've got just a little clamp on there, a needle nose pliers. We'll take that off. Okay. And then for this there's a little snap ring. You need a pair of snap ring pliers. Go ahead and take that off. The blower wheel will slide off. Alright, well, we got the new blower wheel here. Like I said, basically the bottom of it is kind of flat. You got like almost a D shape to the blower wheel. We're going to go ahead and line this up with the motor shaft. Slip it on. And there's a little snap ring on the back side that when you slide that back, it hits that snap ring. And that's kind of meshed up with the blower wheel pretty good there. We've got our clamp here that we're going to go ahead and put on. find our little snap ring. Okay, we're going to go ahead and just put the cover back on here. Alright, and we've got just a 1 5/16 screw that holds the L bracket down here. Alright, basically we're just going to go ahead and spin the drum here. You can see that's rotating the blower wheel and it's not rubbing, so we know that basically it's all intact. So we'll go ahead and put the front cover back on and that'll complete the repair. Alright, we're going to go ahead and put the front cover back on here. Start at the bottom, get the glides underneath the drum, make sure your wiring's clear, and then just sort of lift up. It's got some hangers that are there that the drum will drop into. Alright, go ahead and take your wiring, put it up into this clip here. That just keeps it out of the way and helps it not get pinched when you put this front panel back on. Spin it over, tip it forward, get these clips up under the top. Keep like an upward pressure on it. Drops into place there. Just have the 2 Phillips screws. Alright, we got a plug back in. We're going to go ahead and run it. Thank you for watching another quality video from ApplianceVideo.com.